Hey guys, welcome back to the channel with your boy here, Joshua C. Let's see what we have here today. Yep, I'll be unboxing the all-new mid-range smartphone from Huawei, the HUAWEI Nova 7 SE 5G. So let's check it out. Okay, so first thing first, this phone looks really good. Now I know I've been using the word premium a lot recently, but this phone really fits the bill. The one we've got here is the space silver color variant with a glossy 3D curved glass back design. And if you look close enough, it has a slight faded pinkish gradient colorway on the bottom. Other than the space silver, it also has the midnight black, forest green and midsummer purple color variants. Coming to the front, it comes with a 6.5-inch 2400 by 1080p Full HD plus 2.5D curved LCD display that comes with the HDR10 support. There's a punch hole at the corner of the screen to house the selfie camera, but it doesn't really affect much while you're watching videos on this phone, and the colors are pretty vibrant and crisp with 96% of NTSC color gamut. Now it doesn't have an in-screen fingerprint scanner, but it has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner that doubles up as the power button. There's the volume rocker above it and the dual SIM slot, the headphone jack, USB-C port and the loudspeaker. The sound quality is pretty decent and loud. Listen to it for yourself. As for the cameras, the HUAWEI Nova 7 SE 5G comes with a linear quad camera setup on the rear, comprising a 64MP f1.8 main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide angle camera, 2MP macro lens, 2MP depth sensor, and a 60MP selfie camera on the front. The picture color contrasts are pretty nice and vibrant, especially with the AI scene recognition turned on, but a little loose on the dynamic range as highlights will be overblown in some scenes. As for the 60MP selfie camera, the night mode on the selfie camera did a pretty good job on taking night selfies in a dim environment. Video-wise, it can take up to 4K video quality and up to 960 frames per second slow-mo footages. Not to mention, if you're a vlogger, the latest dual-view video recording mode might be your favorite because you can capture videos with the front and rear camera simultaneously. So it runs on the EMUI 10.1 based on Android 10 coupled with 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage with an expandable NM card slot. Under the hood, it sports the Kirin 810 5G chipset with the Mali G57 GPU. So for daily tasks and gaming on this phone is quite smooth. As for the battery, this is one of the highlights for the HUAWEI Nova 7 SE 5G because it comes with a 4000mAh battery that supports a 40W supercharge that claims it can charge from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes. But I'm sure with all these great features mentioned, you still doubt the usability due to the lack of Google Play Store, but here's what I wanted to share with you guys. By now, you don't have to worry about not getting the apps you wanted because you can use the PhoneClone to transfer all your apps from your old device to your new HUAWEI Nova 7 SE 5G, and you can get most of your daily apps on the Huawei app gallery as well. As for your Gmail, you can already sync it with the pre-installed email app on the phone by just logging into your Gmail account. So overall, with the price of 1,499 ringgit, the HUAWEI Nova 7 SE 5G is really a great mid-range smartphone with all the features that comes with it, but the one dislike I would like to nitpick will be the fingerprint magnet glass design on the back because I don't like fingerprint stains on my phones. But that's more on my personal preferences. That's all for today. Let me know what do you think about this phone in the comments below, and remember to like this video, smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to never miss our latest video updates. I'm Joshua C. See you next time.